5 natural ways to strengthen your bones after 60. Are you worried about thinning bones or osteoporosis? You are not alone. As we age, bone loss becomes more common, especially for women after menopause. But here is the good news. There are natural, proven ways to strengthen your bones and protect yourself from fractures, and they really work. Please check the description for supportive links we provide for this content. Let us talk about 5 evidence-backed strategies you can start using today. First, resistance training. Lifting light weights, using resistance bands, or even doing bodyweight exercises like squats can actually help build bone. A 2022 study in Osteoporosis International showed that resistance training can improve bone mineral density in both the spine and hips, 2 common fracture zones for older adults. And it is never too late to start. Second, do not underestimate calcium and vitamin D. We hear about them often, and for good reason. You need about 1,200 milligrams of calcium per day, ideally from food like leafy greens, almonds, or dairy. And vitamin D helps your body absorb that calcium effectively. According to the Journal of Bone and Mineral Research, getting enough of both reduces fracture risk, especially in older women. One form of highly effective calcium gaining attention is red mineral algae, a natural marine source of calcium combined with magnesium and trace minerals. In Europe, it is even prescribed under the name Aquamin. Third, add in supporting nutrients like magnesium, vitamin K2, and boron. Magnesium helps regulate calcium, vitamin K2 directs it into the bones, and boron supports overall bone metabolism. A 2021 review in Nutrients confirmed that these nutrients together can improve bone health, especially post-menopause. Fourth, consider collagen. Yes, the same collagen that supports your skin also helps your bones. A 2021 clinical trial found that daily collagen supplements improved spinal bone density in postmenopausal women over 12 months. It may also help reduce bone loss. Fifth, cut the bone-depleting habits. That means limiting alcohol, caffeine, and smoking, which can pull calcium from your bones. And go easy on highly processed, acidic foods, which increase the load on your bones to balance your body's pH. The bottom line? You do not need to feel helpless. These natural steps, backed by science, can protect and rebuild your bones, especially when started early and practiced consistently. Subscribe to Senior Wellness and Health for your continuing healthy longevity.